Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how to log into Free Fire Max with your Google account. To log into Free Fire Max with Google, first of all, launch the Free Fire Max open on your device. Once you're in the home screen of Free Fire Max, go ahead and tap on the More button. Now click on Sign in with Google and then click the Continue button in the pop-up and follow through the prompts. Now, go ahead and enter your email address or phone number associated with your Google account and tap Next. Now enter your password for your Google account or choose any other login method if available and tap Next again. Right after you do that, you will then be able to sign in to Free Fire Max with Google. So that's how it's easily done. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more Free Fire Max tips and tricks. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.